I only buy the finest tea leaves. Zesta. See BOPF.
If BOPF is indicated on the pack.
Zesta, the art of tea.
India's ruling Congress party yesterday approved the creation of a new Telangana state as the 29th state of India. According to Reuters, the decision was taken at a meeting of the Congress Working Committee presided by Party Supreme Sonia Gandhi in New Delhi.
India's ruling Congress party approved the creation of a new southern Telangana state after years of protests and violence in the region by locals, demanding separation from the province of Andhra Pradesh.
It is resolved to request the central government to take steps in accordance with the Constitution of India to form a separate state of Telangana, to establish simultaneously and within a definite time frame institute mechanism to address the concerns of the people of the regions of Andhra, Rayalaseema on matters relating to but not limited to the sharing of river waters, generation and distribution of electricity, safety and security of all residents in all the three regions, and the guarantee of the fundamental rights of all residents.
Hyderabad, India's sixth largest city, was a bone of contention because it fell in the proposed new state to be carved out of Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is also considered the communication hub of South Asia. The Congress party said that Hyderabad will be the capital of Andhra and Telangana for a period of 10 years. Afterwards, Hyderabad will only belong to the Telangana state. The decision to break up Andhra Pradesh and establish Telangana comes ahead of elections next year, and critics say the ruling party is seeking to show up its political fortunes after dragging its feet over the explosive issue for 4 decades. Commenting on this decision, senior leader of the country's main opposition, Bharatiya Janata Party or the BJP, Lal Krishna Advani, said that his party too nodded for the new province.
If Telangana was not formed when we formed 3 new states, it was only because of our respecting one of our coalition partners' views. Otherwise, we would have done it even then.
Since independence in 1947, successive governments have dealt carefully with demands for new states, creating 3 in 2000, while ensuring demands did not spiral enough to threaten the integrity of a nation that now has 1.2 billion people with hundreds of languages, ethnicities and castes. India currently has 28 states excluding the new one, while the United States with a population of 300 million has 50. By and large, Telangana is made up of those regions that were under the rule of the erstwhile rule of Hyderabad, Nizam, and these areas are regarded as underdeveloped and drought-prone, unlike the coastal Andhra. However, it is the Indian Parliament that needs to decide on the establishment of the new state.